that's like the meaning of me vote. Okay, should hide that. I'll be showing you guys how to custom themes. First, you need stylish. Down right here. Here's the link. Right here. Wait, that's not the link. Crap. Look. See this? Just type that. This right here. You like click add thread, add the column right here, like this. So once you add that, you click this. It's like, what? How do I get this? Yeah, I'll show you. Look. You go here, the link right here. Here's the link. Right here. Okay? Okay? So like, say if you want to change your Google thing, it works. Say if you want to change your Roblox thing, YouTube thing, it works. Say if you want to change your Roblox thing, it works. I have the Galaxy one, it's pretty cool. Works amazing. Dark theme. So yeah, you can type up anything you want to change, but your Pokemon, and just a couple clicks, then boom, I have it. So yeah.